Okay. I'm using my phone, so this is really hard to do. I've taken this. I'm going to stick it in between my table and my machine, and I'm just going to use a little bit of pressure. This thing is stuck. I'm using the back side of a hammer, plastic. I'm using plastic. And I'm slowly getting her out of there. I need something a little bit bigger to put pressure on. You just want to put a little bit of pressure on the plate and then smack it with something soft, and the vibration will finally get it out. Just getting there. And we're out. Definitely a bunch of corrosion there. We'll clean this all up real good and re-lube it and stuff. I'll probably use, I got a Dremel or a drill, got a cut screwdriver. I'll get some real high fine sandpaper and go up, clean them holes out, and this thing ought to be fixed. We'll put it back together.